Hey everyone, Luke here, and welcome back to Alternate Bricks. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best way on how to modify Obi-Wan's Jedi Starfighter with no extra pieces. The first thing I noticed when I first saw this set is that it is not movie accurate at all. This is because the Lego design has the cockpit area way too high. It was designed this way so that the astromech droid body can be stored inside the middle of the ship, but in my opinion this is not necessary, so what we're going to do is basically just flatten it and make it more movie accurate. I don't think that the Hyperdrive Ring is too bad, however, without using any extra pieces, there's not much we can really do with it. So I might make another video using extra pieces on how to make that more movie accurate. The only thing that really needs changes is the engines, I think. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is take apart the interceptor. You don't have to tear it all apart, just get it down to what I've got here in the video. And then we'll go from there. And there we have it. We now have a movie-accurate Obi-Wan's Jedi Interceptor. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the result, and it's even better that we were able to do it without any extra pieces. It gives the ship a much more sleeker design and makes it look amazing. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.